This conference will now be recorded.
Hi everyone, welcome to the session. Is there any doubts? Suppose if you don't have a doubts, we'll start the practical concept of Google Ads. Yesterday we have seen how to work for Google Ads. So to create Google Ads, if I start, let's break down each menu option of each menu each menu of options of the Google Ads, what you can do with them. Suppose there will be a menu. Any application you take, web application or any software application, if you take, there will be a menu structure. So to create a Google Ads, might be a search ads, might be a video ads, or 1 minute. So shopping ads, so any format if you take, so different types of ads. So menu is going to be matters to create a campaign, ad groups, and ads. Okay, so within that menu we have to run our groups and also campaign menus. First, if would like to start or try to understand what are the menus on each area of your Google Ads. So the first one, talk about create menu. Within the interface of Google Ads, assume like this is your Google Ads interface. Within that left hand side, you will be having menu. So number one, practical I will show you later. So number one, create menu. Next, number two, campaign menu. Next, number three, goals menu. Number four, tools menu. So I'll be writing here itself, create menu. What are the sub menus? Whenever you click on the each main menu of this area, the sub menus which will have new campaign to create this, then new ad group, then new ad. So like this, you have some menus to create the to create a campaign or details. Then second one, campaign menus. The campaign menu, which gives campaign overview, then edit campaign. We can edit the campaign which already run, which is not completed. The campaign if not get completed, then if that's still under draft, then you can edit that. And also you can pause, or you can remove campaign, and we can analyze the performance. Then we can manage ad groups and ads. So this all about campaign menu. Is that clear? So completely, which will give sub option for campaign related options. So next, third one, we have a goal. You have to set up goals, conversion goals, then create and manage goals, then we have a import goals. Even you can import the goals from others. So like this, these are the three sub menu which comes under goals menu. Next, last final one is tools. The tools like keyword planner. Last class I was explaining about keywords. So we wanted to have a keyword planner. So Google has given as a tool to find the keywords. As a digital marketer, you have to find the keywords to get search volume estimates. So this would help you to get the number of keywords. Then audience manager, then add preview if you want, and also you can diagnose. Then you have performance planner, then you have a conversion tracker, then shared library. So like this, these are the sub menus. So other than this, one more important menu also there, that is your billing menu and admin menu. So billing menu is mandatory before you create any account, or before you log in into the Google account. System will ask you, your Google application will ask you to enter billing information. So this is billing menu. So this billing menu will have all your account details. So that account details like payment methods, then billing summary, okay, then billing settings. So payment method, billing summary, then we have a billing settings. Then last one is admin menu. So I'll be writing in the bottom admin menu, where you can customize and where you can grant the access, okay, like account setting, user management, then access security. So that and all comes under this area. Okay, so I'll be writing here account management, account settings, then user management, then you have access and security, then link accounts. If you wanted to link, you have a link accounts, then notifications. So please remember, whenever before you create or get into the Google Ads account, these are the menus, and these are the options. Under the menu you will be having some different options. Okay, so now let's see the practical thing. Are you getting the same menus or not? We will have a confirmation now. So I am taking this Google. Okay, so here you type directly ads google.com, press enter key. So this is your first page of your area, but still I have not logged into the Google Ads account. Okay, so this is the first home page of your ads, Google Ads. So yesterday, end of the session, I've shown you this, uh, like search ad, display ad, shopping ad, so on, so on. These are the different types of ads. Now you go to click sign in. In the sign in part, enter your ID, means email ID. So press enter key, enter password. So now you connected to ad account. So in this ads application, Google application, so still is loading. Could you able to see the screen? So these are the menus, which whatever I taught you now. in the left hand side of this application, in the left hand side of this application we have a create. The moment if you click the button create, you have campaign conversion action and asset. And in the second menu we have a campaign itself. Just you click the campaign and see this, we have a campaign here. Okay, if I click the campaign, which is going to be displaying, so the draft one still it is not completed. You even you can select this and you can edit it. Okay, so how do you do this? Just you click the button finish, and which will take you to the editing mode. Okay, where you can complete. But I don't want to run the campaign as of now, so just for understanding purpose, just I've created in the draft area, because I've shown you here campaign. Could you able to see here? So overview about editing campaign. So this is editing campaign, and also you can pause and review the campaign now. Okay, so this is not completed. Okay, you can see in the left hand side, these are the steps that we will talk about later. So here some of the steps I've completed, but still three more steps needs to be completed. So what I will do, just I will again I'll be closing this. Okay, so in this overview or campaign overview, which will show you what and all resumed draft you have, and also directly you can create a campaign here itself, and also billing information, and which is asking you to enter measure conversions. Okay, when you set up the billing information here, see this. So billing informations you have to add the payment informations, then only which will take. And Google every time, when you have a zero account balance, every time Google assists you to enter the values. Okay, so right now I don't want to be entered anything. So as a fresher, or as a first person, if you are creating or if you are entering into this area, first asking billing informations, so what you have to do is just you skip those things and simply enter some dummy informations. Okay, so you don't want to put any credit card and debit card informations, so simply you select other than that debit card and credit card, so simply you skip those things. Okay, then you will get these many menus. Okay, then in this the recommendations also there, and you can see audience and keywords and contents. So just you, if you click on this, which will show you the locations details also if you have done anything. So you have performance, analyze performance, and also manage ad groups and ads. So here you have the informations. Now go to the goals. In the goals area, so conversion goal, create and manage the goals, and also import the goals. you can see here itself the rules, settings, custom variables, and measurement. So this is the new appearance what you are seeing. And next to the goals you have tools. So I will try to match this. So look at once the tools. So here we have a tools. Then next to the tools, billing menu. So this is your billing menu. Next you have admin menu. So in the last bottom of the you have, so place the cursor and you will be getting different sub menus whatever I've written here. So when you click for the billing information, so have a look once what is billing menu, like payment method, billing information, billing settings. If you want to, if you wanted to perform any settings, if you wanted to set up or perform anything about the payment methods and all, just if you click on this, then you will be access some of the options and you can enter, you can change the options as you required. So the next thing is, leave this. Suppose if you have another account, okay, so I will try to change that appearance now. So you have used the previous design for this session. If you don't like this interfaces, so go to use previous design and you can get back into the previous design. Okay, the menus will be rearranging. So but I'm not suggesting you to do this. If you want, you can do that. Okay, so look at this, the menu is completely changed. So are you getting the menus like whatever I've taught you now? Like you have seen create menu, campaign menu, goals menu, tools menu, and billing menu and admin menu. So that and all is not available in this area. Is it clear? Then, sir, where do I get those things? Go to tools and settings, and here you have, so like billings, then setup, measurement, bulk action, then shared library and planning. Okay, so you have the different menus, but you have same option itself. Okay, so you don't want to worry about this. And again you click that measurement and you can have all this information now. Suppose if you wanted to change into the new one, so again you click and set this new design. So you another account, so enter account, enter the password. So here this is the first area how the Google Ads is going to asking you to create a new account. Okay, so this is your first screen when you logged into your Gmail ID in the ads.google account. Then this is the first screen is asking, just you select create ad account. Some number creating. So now we have create first campaign. So enter your business information, so on so on, means Google is asking you to enter. Okay, so just simply if you create, and what you do is come to the bottom here. Wait. So enter your name like tech mentor. You have to set up your business, and if there is phone number you enter, or else your app. So whatever you have that you enter, it is an optional for ad. Okay, this is the basic information. So select India. If you are entering mobile number and all that you take, and this is your website. So in this mentor.com, so something like this, and simply you click on next. So now system is asking us to create campaign. So Google is directly searching some of the information from your account details. So now I will not be entering any option. So what you have to do is I'll be clicking this skip button. Okay, or else if you wanted to create directly, you can create for the business profile whatever I've already created. Okay, but I'm not going to take this option, so just I'm clicking this skip area. And here also I don't want to enter any other information, so just simply you click skip. So do not enter any campaign details, that we will see later. So just you click skip and leave this campaign creation, because I wanted to create custom ads like display ads, then like shopping ads. So if you wanted to choose the different option, then I'm not suggesting you to do this one. Okay, so select this, leave this campaign creation, and this is the mandatory option what I was telling. So I was telling to enter the billing information. So this was the billing information where you have to attend the first area. Is it clear? So I selected the country billing from India, then time zone is GMT plus 5:30, then Indian currency, then you click continue. asking for your payment settings. Suppose if you have any offer code, that also you can apply. Okay, if you click apply, you will be getting some of the discount and all. Okay, this is mandatory, you cannot able to skip. Google ad has a mandatory column or mandatory option, that is add payment method. So here you click and select one of this area, like net banking, something like this, and select this I agree, and want to personalize guidance from the Google Ads expert by phone or messaging. So I don't want any guidance from the Google. So what you do, just you simply click submit. That's all. And make ensure when you did not complete, or if you're not satisfied the requirement of the particular, it never allow you to take the next step or submit action. So what you have to do is you have to add payment amount. Okay, when you click for this payment amount, so wait a minute, again asking, select this, then enter amount around 500 rupees or 1000 rupees you enter. Minimum, see for example, if I enter 500 is accepting, if I enter 450 is not accepting, because Google is going to giving you, say this, at least minimum amount 500 rupees you have to keep. Okay, so manual payment amount, okay, so less than 500 rupees, then that won't take. Okay, so click continue, then scroll down, then submit it. So when you submit this, almost system is satisfied most of the required field. Then click submit again. So this account is activated. Is it clear? So your account must be created, that must be activated. So when account is activated, then only you will get this interfaces. So please remember here, your account, your Google account must be activated. So when you activated this Google account, then only I can go for, or then only I can get this interfaces. If that not activated, then that never allow you to work. So reload it and saying that your ads will go live after a review. See this, all ads are checked. Ensure that they are safe and appropriate for everyone. So you have some information, and review should take 1 or 2 business days. So make ensure that then only you have to click next. And this is your id. Okay, so tracking id and hosting the services from the commerce platform. And you can copy this what I can say website code also. Okay, so somewhere just you copy this, open notepad or some any applications. So this is your first thing, and copy this account id, and this is the second option. So this is when you want to track. So it's asking Google tag into your website. So this is the code the system has given. You have to copy somewhere in your application. Take the second one and do the copy. Go to file, save as. So write this, your name itself. So Google account tracking ID and Google tag code. So save it. Then you can test your connection later. Is it clear? You have to set up some of this information. So saying that Google tag was not detected on your website because I've not completed the website domain name and all. Okay, so again I do later. So click on this, I do later, and again I do later, and I agree to continue with our Google account. So this you can take later. So set up your Google tag later. So when you finish all those basic requirement, then only you will get this Google information or Google menus. Is it clear? So in this interfaces, you have two things. One is old interface and one is new interface. So as of now, I'm not suggesting you to work for old interface. So as of now, do not use this. So you take this is the one what you have. So whatever I've given here, the menu list, which is applicable only for new interfaces. So that practically what you are seeing in this area. And check out campaigns you have, goals you have, tools you have, and billing informations you have. It's updating now. Okay, there'll be people will ask you, sir, how do I change new interfaces to old interface, again old interfaces to new interfaces? So to change these two, there is an option called as appearance. So just you click on this appearance and change. So that you select. So new interface and old interface. So this is the summary because I've chosen this billing information. So now you go to admin, which allow you to give some of the information about account setup. But still the top menus are not displaying now. So in the top menu you have appearance. So where you can see the top menu, it's not listed. So is that clear now? Then rest of the things you can continue later. So again I will come back. I'll be signing out from the existing one. I'm going to take one more new. The previously earlier one which I've used. Enter the password, press enter key. Okay, now the concept is I wanted to create a ad now. So to create a ads, first make ensure which type of ads you will be planning and which type of ads uh, your organization is going to be conducted in the campaign list. Okay, so we will take one example. So let's say you are creating a Google search ad for fictional online store called Tech Gadget. Okay, I'll be writing here one example. So we are creating a Google search ad. Okay, so what type of ads we are creating? Search ad we are creating for fictional online store called Tech Gadgets. So that sells the latest electronics. Latest electronics. So now the goal is, so drive the traffic to the stores website and increase sales. This is our main agenda. So whatever ads I am creating, this is the proposal. So we have to understand clearly what we are doing. Okay, and the step number one. So step number one for conducting this, what we have to do, we have to sign into uh, Google Ads. I've shown you how it has to be done. Okay, and secondly, okay, suppose if I wanted to do, what is the website name? So the website name is called as ads.google.com. Okay, and navigate to the ads dashboard. So navigate to the Google Ads dashboard. So from second step onwards, you have a option here. So what is the second step is saying that you have to start a new campaign. So in the left hand side, whatever you have seen, that completely, okay, we will take practically, then we'll talk about the steps later. So first I'm going to take the left hand side, we have a campaign. Okay, so first directly click on create. In this create option, in the create option, place the cursor and select create campaign. Okay, and choose, okay, this is our business name. Okay, so business name was what I've given, Tech Gadgets. Okay, so already if you created a website, so take that website name. Okay, so one website I'll be taking like Kaustuba, something like this. So take your website, whatever you created, then click continue. and this is your objective. So what is the goal? Choose your objective. So sales, then leads and website traffic. Okay, so you can select sales to drive online sales. So I'm going to take the first one because our requirement is to what? I wanted to drive the traffic to the website. So drive sales online in app or by the phone or in stores. Okay, so you select sales, then automatically asking in this area, what is this? Select the campaign type. Sorry, choose that goal. 1 minute, I'll be closing this. Leave this. So system saying that conversion goals to improve the sales. Conversion goals labeled as account default will use the data from all your campaign to improve your bid strategy and campaign performance if they don't have seems directly related to the sales. So here conversion source automatically selected. Okay, then conversion action, so one automatically selected but it is still in as an inactive. Okay, so conversion goal is to view the page. Clear? Then what you have to do, you have to click continue. After this you have to click continue. So come to this area, click continue. So when you click continue option, asking select the campaign type. So what is a campaign type? So campaign type is to search. So get the customer front of high intent customers at the right time in the Google search. So whenever people are searching in the Google, okay, so that has to take in the first high intent, front of high intent. Okay, so this will allow you to create text. Okay, so text ads that appears on the Google search result page. Is that clear? So I'm selecting this. So after selecting this option, so scroll down, then you have configure the campaign settings. And before that, select the way would you like to reach the goal. Number one, visit website, then phone calls, then store visit or app download. Which one do you like to take? So I am going to take website visit or phone calls. So if I take website visit, then it is updated. Or else if you looking for phone calls, enter the mobile number, then select the country. So right now I'm not going to take this. So this is going to be the website one. So enter and scroll down. Now you put a campaign name. Campaign name is tech gadget. So click continue. Then click start. Campaign objective. Yes, everything is done. So click start new. Now system is asking bidding strategy. So bidding strategy, automatically which one has taken here. So what you wanted to focus. Say this, conversion, then conversion value, then other optimization option, then clicks. If you want clicks, then you can take the clicks, or you can take conversion, but now I am going to take clicks. And even you can set this limit. Okay, so set that what is a bid limit. Okay, maximum CPC bid limit. Okay, set a daily budget rupees something like 500, 100. Okay, so choose a bidding strategy for beginners, example like maximize clicks. Okay, that is the good one whatever I have chosen. Okay, and also you can set this, but if you don't like this, so you leave off and go to this area. Then there is one more is called as customer acquisition. So by default your campaign bid equals for your new and existing customers. So the option whatever which is given here, so see this option limits your ads only for the new customers regardless of your bid strategy. So one more I would like to clarifying you. So there are some different bidding strategies are there, like one, somewhere I will be writing here. So you have CPC, cost per click, then CPM, cost per impression, 1000 impression, then you have a CPA, cost per acquisition. Next you have CPV, cost per view. Then you have one more CPL, so cost per lead. So these are the different concept. Okay, so for example, this is the default one. As a beginners you can select for clicking. Okay, so here you have whenever you order placed, might be shopping ads. If you are performing any shopping ads, you can go for CPA. So preferably after order placed, purchase order placed. This is one example for acquisition, example for shopping ads. And this is cost per view. This is applicable when you run any ads on YouTube. One for shopping ads, one for YouTube ads. So if you are creating any leading forms or sign up forms, then CPL is going to be working now. Is it clear? So these are the different types of CPC, CPM, CPA, CPV, CPL. So select in this case. So what is a bidding one which I've chosen? So I've chosen maximize clicks. That is a good for our things, and directly click next. Okay. Now system is asking what type of network. So you have to conduct your campaign settings. So campaign settings, what type of display we have means type of ads we are creating, that is text based ads. Okay, that has to come in the search area. So ads can appear near your Google search results and also other sites when people are search for the terms that are relevant of your keywords. So obviously this is our main requirement. So you can select. Suppose if you not select also, it will take, see this. Okay, but which is highly recommended one? So highly recommended one, search network. So select this option to show your ads on the Google search result page. So I'm going to be selecting now. So Google search partner, so that is an optional. So select include other search engines. Say this, include Google display network, that and all not required as of now. Okay, so just you select this option. If you not select, then see this system giving this is expand your Google search partners, reach additional customers. Google is suggesting you to do this. So that's why you have to select this option. Then once that condition is applies, or if you take that Google assistance, then system is asking location. So where do you choose what type of audience you are looking for? So set the location. Would you like to run your ads that entire all over the world or not? So usually I'm not going to run that for all countries. Suppose if you are looking only within India, so you can take that India. So even if you're not like that within India, so you can specify within your local system, like local area. For example, if I enter Bengaluru, look at this. So in this Bangalore city, I can take include and I can exclude and I can take nearby also. So I am going to select Bangalore. So asking for, so here I forgotten. So now it's asking for enter the location. Okay, so would you like to include or exclude? So for example, 560019. Okay, if I take, would you like to take this in the include area or exclude area? Okay, and see this number of uh, result, number of reaches. Okay, then if I say exclude, see what happened. See what happened? It is excluded. Okay, now if I take 560085, now if I take include, see the reaches. Okay, excluded report and included report. Okay, you can filter instead of wasting the money. Okay, so now I'll be deleting this. If you want, you can go for this. Okay, let it be. So after this, and set the language. Suppose here we have Kannada language, so you can take Kannada and English both. Okay, it is included. And now the time is to take audience segment. When you click this audience segment, so yesterday in the theory part, I gave some of the requirements, like how Google is going to identify your systems, like likes, dislikes, okay, and behaviors. So that is completely is going to be tracking. So make ensure what is your audience types. So we have a five different types of audience. So when you click for browse button, look at this. Okay, so number one, affinity. Affinity is nothing but interested. Then similar audience. So look like we have that is the second part. It's similar like our affinity. Then detailed demographics, then remarketing, and also custom audience, and sixth one is in market. So these are the different types of audience. So you choose whichever you like. See this combined audience you have. Okay, then demographics wise, so you, if you click the demographics wise, asking, so I wanted to have complete like married and single. Okay, so you can filter those things. My product is going to applicable for toddlers or not, so that also you can filter. Okay, then in the employment, so electronics everybody likes, so I'm not going to specify any one of this area. Okay, so if you want you can select. So suppose if I wanted to have a interacted with your business, so select this, and you can specify that area. So in market, so in market, let's say this electronics something and all, it's not listed in this education. So computer peripherals, I'll be selecting. So this one market is selected. Then business services also, if that applicable, that you select. Suppose if you not like, so directly you can search here electronics. So this you have so many things. Okay, so that are actively researching in the planning. Automotive electronic components, consumer electronics, and power and electronics, computer accessories, home appliances. Okay, then phone accessories. So whichever is applicable, so that you select in the search result. So when you click for the browse, you have a different types. As I told you, based on your interest and demographics wise. Okay, so like age wise, gender wise, even college wise, sorry, education wise. So I don't want to see high school graduates and all. Okay, even you can remove this. Say this, it's going to be not applicable. Okay, then it's that. Okay, then go for home ownership status, renters. Okay, let it be, no problem. Okay, so like this segment, audience segments that can add for your campaign. So you can create your own data segments by clicking on new data segment area. So this is our new data segment area. Otherwise Google will take all that recommended option and which will give you the result. So I have selected in that category. And I've targeted this campaign in the observation mode. Okay, so scroll down and click next, and see if you have more option here. You can schedule this, add rotation, then start and end of your ads, then add schedules. It is daily. If you don't like on daily, so you can set what is the days you supposed to be run, Monday to Friday, or Saturday and Monday, or all weekdays. So you select, I'm going to take Monday to Friday. And what is the timings? Okay, that also you can specify and add this. Okay, and next category also you can take, what is that, I wanted to have Sundays, but I'm not, just I've excluded only on Saturdays. Okay, and you even you can take one more. So like this you can schedule this, add schedule, and again you go for one more and set this when it has to start and end that campaign. Okay, so click on this. So today if I start, then when it has to run now, so select the date. End date, it might be in the 31st July. Okay, so specify this, and again you click more. Okay, then what is this, ad rotation? So what is the best performing ads? So optimize the best performance ads, automatically it has taken. And again scroll down, so check out this URL. So campaign URL still is not at set. So take this tracking template and fix the value. Okay, so right now I'm not going to take, so leave this. And see this restrictions to the brand list. Okay, so let it be the same, and you can click next. Then this is your keyword and asset generation. So in the keyword asset generation, say this, I've given website. So your Google is going to take some of the keywords, is going to take with the help of AI, and which will create assets like the keywords, headlines, then description for your review, and generated the content inaccurate or offensive. So please review to check the responses, and to improve. AI or human reviews may read, annotate, and process your informations to provide, but do not enter anything you need to want to reviewed or used. So I'm going to take skip mode now. Don't want to generate. So here is this option. This is the option system automatically has taken from this area. Okay, suppose sir I wanted to create our own keywords. Suppose if you wanted to create your own keywords, so what you do is, there is semrush, just you press enter key, and keyword magic tool. So select, and enter the keyword. So when you enter the keyword, which will give you, 1 minute. So laptop service, then computer repair, something like this. Okay, so I'm going to take here itself. computer laptop service. So just click search, enter your mail ID, click continue. Computer laptop service, click search. And here you can see the different keywords: repair, center, desktop, near, PC, sale. See this, look at this. These are the most important keywords, and also which is showing what is this ratio, the quality of the keyword. Okay, one more example I'm going to take here. See this. These are the keywords I have, and search. So many people will search with this particular keyword. So the keyword is digital marketing course, and in the third column I have a low range. So top of page bidding and top of page bid high range and low range. Okay, and in the competition, so we have five different columns. In this five different columns, so look at the search volume. So when the search volume, if it is more, then what is this low range and what is this high range? So here we have in the third column that shows the minimum amount of your advertisers typically pay for clicks. Okay, so when their ads are appears at the top of the page for given keywords. So this is the keywords. Okay, then automatically that comes to the first page. So this is the lower end of the bid range. Example like digital market, MKTG. So low range bid will be $0.26. And what about that high range? So same thing. In this column, the maximum amount that advertiser typically pay. So here the minimum amount is going to pay the advertiser, but here the maximum amount is going to pay per click, and also that the result is the ad appears on top of the page for the given keywords. But now the question is, this is higher end of the bid range. Example like 1.33 digital marketing. But in between these two, the competition, okay, see this competition. So competition is low because no one is going for this keyword. So competition among these advertisers bidding on given keywords, the categorized into three levels. One is low, one is medium, and one is high. Okay, so low means the fewer advertisers are bidding on this keyword. Means the advertiser, they are not preferring this one. So that is the major things. And next we have a second one is called as medium. So moderate numbers of advertisers are given and for the bidding on the keyword. So like 50-50. So here you have some 50-50 competition. Okay, and next the high. Many advertisers, they are bidding on this keyword. Okay, example like digital MKTK has the competitions level of low. So meaning is few advertisers are bidding on this keyword. So this is the small example. So like this you can convert that into your area. Understood? So some of the keywords I've entered here. So like this, you can copy and paste it here. Okay, and see here what type of criteria has to match. So that has to match according to the broad match or the phrase match or exact match. So these are the three criteria are there. So automatically see this, the add more keywords. So Google is asking add some more keywords. Suppose I'm going to apply now. I'm not going to take and see this. How many options are there here? Broad match. So so and so on. So scroll down. So now come to the main point. Here, this is your final URL and display. And you can see here when the preview of your ads. Okay, so in the preview of your ads, if there is any sub or display path, you can take. So scroll down. So now I wanted to take headlines. So headlines, you can write huge electronic sale and see on top of this the changes on this preview. So this headline one, huge effect electronic sales. Okay, and again scroll down. I'm going to take the second headline. So up to 50% off on. Next, in the third headline, shop now at tech gadgets. Shop now at tech gadgets. And is there any changes here as you entered multiple ad lines, headlines? See this, up to 50% off, huge electronic sales. Something it is. Yes. So I wanted to have this one. Huge electronic sales. Shop now at. So this is the preview. So people will be clicking on this area. Then it is taking you to the website. Is that clear? And still you can add so many headlines. Now come to the description part. So in this description part, find the latest electronics at unbeatable price. Okay, and again you take one more here. Shop now. Okay, so still I can take. I have a space. Shop now and save up to 50%. Next, go to the second description. I'll be saying that limited time offer. Get the best gadget and electronics at tech gadgets and scroll down. And again, check the description part of this preview, whatever I've entered here, and see this. Can you able to see this? This is the preview of that, whatever you have entered the description, line 1, line 2, and heading line 1, heading line 2. Okay, and that automatically updating. So this is the first phase, second phase, take this description. Okay, so if you want a site link, that also you can take. If you don't want directly, okay, directly you can go for click next, and saying that it is completely plus 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 all area. Google is given the rating of your headlines, then call outs, so on so on. I'm going to take, once it is done you click OK, then click next. So this is the budget. Okay, see this, weekly clicks, then average CPC, then weekly cost. Okay, and if you scroll down, if everything is okay, then you click next, and you can publish your campaign if everything is okay. And Google is asking add some more keywords. This is the overview. Okay, so it's showing that as I told you, needs to enter some more keywords. So this is my Google ads. So if you have a budget in your account, then Google will start displaying the ads. So similarly you can create in the different types of ads now. Is that clear now? And right now I'm closing this. So discard it. Now if you wanted to see, go to the campaign mode, then campaigns. So look at this, which are the campaigns which are progressing. Okay, if there is money, then it takes and which will start. Okay, and there is one more here, keyword planner. Okay, so in Google itself is given the tool. In the tools there is an option called as keyword planner. So when you click for the keyword planner, Google itself is giving. So I don't want to go for SEMrush, third party application tool. So here itself you can discover the keywords. So what you have to do, so just discover, and when you search for the new keywords, so click on this and enter. For example, I'm going to take digital marketing course. Okay, just if get the result, click the get result button. Sorry, where is that? So first enter related to keywords. NICT computer education, then digital marketing course. Get result. So okay, already I've entered here. So look at this. In the same keyword, I've searched. So this is the result you have here. You can see the list. You can do copy paste from this area, and you can add that into your campaign. So like this, Google itself given the tool keyword planner, and enter that information and click the search button like computer, laptop repair. You take something like this, scroll down and get the result. And look at this. Google is giving refining the keywords. Can you able to see this? The competition low and high, and see this. Laptop help near me. If you are satisfying, and you can copy this and add that into your ad campaign. Is it clear? So practice this and you let me know this. Okay, and one more I forgotten to tell you. So click the appearance, and you have this previous design for this session. You can change, and you can send to the previous mode, and this is the earlier version. And again you click this. In the earlier version, go to the tools mode, and here itself you have this option, keyword planner. So option is keyword planner, where it is tools. Yeah, in the tools itself we have so keyword planner. Here we have keyword planner. Okay, if you're not like this, change to the new mode. So practice, and you let me know what is the status of this Google Ads. So we'll meet you up in the next class. Until that, you practice and update the status. So see you all.